So I'm at a house in Denver that we're doing a fix and list deal on. In this house, we're doing kind of a medium fix and list, not super light and not super heavy. So one of the things we haven't done yet is we're going to pour a new front porch here because the concrete's failing there and there. We did already paint the exterior. Here you can see some of the masking isn't removed yet, but we painted the trim white to make it look nice. Here we put in new flooring. We're in the middle of putting new flooring in. We got to put the threshold back and finish this hall. But we repainted all the walls. We painted them agreeable gray. We used the same laminate flooring on every job. It looks great. It's been getting us good results, so we just keep using it. We'll do carpet in these bedrooms and the laminate floor in the hall. Here in this bathroom, we refinished the tub and tile. It was in good shape, and the comps in the neighborhood just say there's not that huge of a bump in price to get from everything super nice to like how this is, because it's in good enough shape. So similarly with the kitchen here, we put the new laminate flooring through over the top of, or there was tile here that's removed, but now we put laminate flooring in, so it's all just one straight floor through the whole kitchen. We've painted the cabinets, and we're gonna just stick with the old countertops that were already here. And again, that's just because the comps in the neighborhood say it doesn't make sense to spend the money to redo the kitchen because it's already in just good enough shape to match those comps. So here we're gonna carpet these stairs. This rug, we'll pull it up, we'll carpet the whole basement. This is a storage room that we're gonna remain a storage room. New water heaters going in though. Here you can see the new ones in the box there, the old ones here. Furnace is in good shape, so we don't have anything to do there. Here, I'll show you the furnace quick. Here you can see it's a newer one. A lot of the newer furnaces are smaller too, you can tell. I think this one's probably somewhere around a maximum of 20 years old. And furnaces last, about 40 years. And if it's under 30 years, I would never spend the money to replace it. So here we'll carpet in this room. We're gonna carpet over that tile. Here we have another bathroom. And again, the bathroom is in just good enough shape that we don't need to redo it. So we'll get laminate floors in here over the tile to help make the flooring look nicer. But that's about it there. Here we'll get new carpet. We still got to paint all the walls. We're gonna put baseboards down because there was vinyl. We're gonna put wood baseboards in. Here we're gonna seal around that new window that the old owners put in. So basically we're just taking this basement just the last little bit to make it look super nice so we can sell it at the top of the market. So I'll show you the outside quick, or backyard. Here we painted everything. If you go back and look at the initial walkthrough, you can see kind of how it was pretty rough back here, but now it's got a nice new paint on it. We'll paint this awning white. They haven't got to that yet, but we'll just paint it all white so it's not an eyesore. It doesn't stick out. So that's what we're doing on this one. I'll do another video when it's 100% done and we're ready to hit the market, which we're only about a week away from. So you'll see this one again soon. Thanks for watching.